We're live. So today, do you know what we're making? Can you remember? What are we making?
That.
What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know? We're gonna make a snowman.
I know.
A snowman. All right, so if you're anything like our house, it's pretty easy to find odd socks. So we've just got a white sock and
Mom.
we've got a little sock that we're going to use as the hats. Where are you going? You're always in the fridge. And you need some rice. And then we've got like some ribbon and some buttons and stuff. So you'll see all that later. And you need some elastic bands. All right? So are you going to have... Oh, it's going to be one of those again. Okay, so we've got to fill this white sock with rice. Can you do that for me?
I want rice.
You want rice? Well, it's not cooked, so you won't want rice. All right.
I want rice.
So I made a little like funnel shape out of some cardboard. I'm just going to poke that. Actually, hang on. Let's do it this way.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. All right, can you hold that for me?
Yep.
Okay, don't pull it out. And then I might help you a little bit. Grandma says she loves you. You say, I love you, Grandma.
I'll help you.
Okay, ready? You're going to pour it in. So we've got our rice and we're going to pour it in together. No, we're going to pour. We're going to pour.
Okay.
Like this, look, let me show
I'm
you.
full.
Like this. You tip it with me. Let's see rice go everywhere. Whoa. Oh, this is a messy one, guys. Keep tipping. Oh.
That's a big one.
Oh, there we go. Keep going. Good job.
Done.
I think we need some more. Should we get some more? Keep it still. Oops. All right, so here's our snowman, and we're going to tie the top. I reckon should we do some more? Or should we leave it at that size? What do you think, Mum?
I'm holding. I'm holding.
Let's do some more. Let's do some more.
One more.
Let's make it a big snowman. Keep it still.
We did it.
We did
We
it.
need some more.
We're going to have to buy some new rice. It's all in our snow now. So then, you just get your elastic band. Hey, I need to tie it up. You can't cuddle it yet. You can't cuddle it yet. Let go.
I want to go it. You need to bend on it.
So I'm just going to loosely tie it up there because I'm not done with the top yet. And then...
We did it.
We did it. And then we're going to make its head. Are you going to squish a head?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you listening? Hey, you're not even in the picture anymore. There we go. There you are. Okay. Now it looks like a slug. Right. So, can you squish a head? You
Yeah.
choose how big the head's going to be. Squish like this. Look, we're going to make a head. Looks like it's got a ponytail. You going to make a head?
Yeah.
So we're going to put the other elastic band. It's too tight.
It's got eyes, Mummy.
He's got eyes, not yet. Alright, so there's his body.
And that's his
And
head.
there's his head.
I want to hold him.
Oh, our glue gun's
I'm
exploding.
holding him. I'm holding him.
Hang on. So
This is
before
big.
we do anything else, I think he needs more rice in his head. Or we're going to make his head a bit smaller. I'm just gonna undo the top and just gonna put a bit more rice in his head because he's a bit deflated. Where's my funnel gone? This is gonna be a disaster. Whoa!
That's the big one.
He's got some brains.
I told him.
Alright, hang on. Alright. Alright,
Let
off.
go.
Have you seen this? She will not let go of it. Right. Off.
Let go.
It's gonna go everywhere if I let go. Okay? Now I need you to be a big helper. Okay? Can you be a big helper?
Yeah, eat it.
Oh, his head's all skewy.
Eat
Right.
it.
I need you to hold that like that. Do not let go. Because Mommy's about to do my favourite part and you can't let go, okay? Promise?
Promise.
Okay, you keep it there. So it wouldn't be a DIY if we weren't using our essential
Get
oils.
off.
So what we're going to do is create a passive diffusion snowman, which basically just means it's going to be scented. Alright, so I'm going to start with probably about 5 drops, I reckon, because it's quite a strong blend, this one. And see how we go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we did 6. Don't tell anyone. Alright. Smell that. Smell it. Smell it. Should we speed things up? Alright, it does smell yum. Okay, so we're gonna put the elastic band back on, and whenever your oils have like lost their smell, you can just undo your elastic band, like take the hat off, undo your elastic band, and then fill it back up. Which one should we use as the eyes? We've got all these buttons. What should we use as the eyes?
That one.
That's a carrot. What should we use as the eyes?
This one.
Tell her to smell the gingerbread. That'll fill your tummy. Just smell the gingerbread. Should we use these little ones as eyes?
No.
Was that a yes or a no? What do we think?
think?
Can you guys see that? I can't see over the comments. Should we have purple
Thank
eyes?
you.
Should we have purple eyes?
I'll do it.
Okay, Mommy has to do it because we're going to use the glue gun. But you can tell me where to stick them, okay?
This one.
What's the best part for
This one.
the front of him? Will's sock's a bit gross,
This
isn't it?
one. This one.
That one. Let's do that as the front. Have odd eyes. Well, they're going to be really odd because they're all different sizes.
They're the eyes.
I think the other ones are too big for the eyes, Mum. We'll use the big ones for the buttons down the front. Okay, so let's see how this glue gun goes, and let's pray that I don't burn myself because I'm not very good at this sort of thing. Okay. Shall I, Mum, do I do the glue on the eye, or do I do the glue on the snowman and then stick the eye on? What's going to be best? Because I'm nervous. What do you think, Millie? Oh, Grandma's praying and laughing. I don't like the laughing, but I like the praying. Okay, let's just stick it on here and stick the eye on. Oh, it just crackled. Doesn't sound good. Okay, that's one eye on. Looks a bit creepy.
That's a merman. I open the nana.
This is hard, guys. Well, it is when you're
Open the nana.
like, oh, that was a lot of glue. That was a lot of glue. Banana. Are they even, Millie? This looks like a really creepy snowman. You can see it, Mum. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm concentrating and I'm trying my best not to stick my tongue out while I concentrate. Creepy snowman. It looks like ponytail. Hang on, Millie. Did I get glue on you? No, you got banana on you. Good. Okay. Look at my carrot that I made.
See?
Ah, don't touch the glue. Look, you were helping me. It's literally paper rolled up in a cone coloured in orange.
Auntie, Mom. Auntie, the mermaid.
Look, we're going to stick it on his face. Here, let's try and do it so everyone can see. Alright, but it's going to fail because I can't see what I'm doing. Alright, where are we putting it? Here?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, I think my tongue's coming out.
Yep.
What do you mean, yep? Oh, I think we need more glue. Oh my goodness, there's glue everywhere. Okay. I don't know if that's enough glue.
That's a carrot.
It is a carrot. It's a carrot with like nose hairs coming out of it because there's so much glue stringing everywhere.
Auntie.
Looks like a rabbit.
Auntie.
Oh, the ears.
Auntie.
Can you see? I think we put the nose on skew.
See me go. That's a normal.
Yeah, let it dry. Maybe we can move it a little bit. No, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's just gonna have an unsymmetrical face, and that's okay because we'll love it more. Oh, we haven't got anything for its mouth. It's also gonna be mouthless. All right. Okay. So now we're gonna do the buttons. You want to show me which buttons? What button do you want? Oh, look at its head flopping about.
That one.
That's a mum word. Yep. I've got a lot of words from you, Mum. All right. Are you going to show me or are you just going to eat your banana? You're just going to eat your banana. You can't even see her. Munching away at a banana. All right, so should we go, which button? Pick a button for the top.
This one.
Which one? I missed it. Which one?
That one.
That's a sock. Pick a button.
This one.
The purple one again. Let's pick a different one.
And that one.
This one. Okay, so she's picked this one for the top. Let's do this gluing thing again. Oh.
He's so hurt.
I'm not gonna hurt him. Okay, he's gonna be fine.
It's funny.
Okay, that one's done. Which one next?
This one.
Oh. His head needs some work. What's next?
That one.
This gold one. I like that one. Okay. Oh, it's crackling. Okay, here we go. Oh no. I'm making a mess.
I'm not making the mess.
We actually are, but with something different. Where are you going? I need your help for the third button, Millie. You love glue guns. I don't. I just burnt myself. Millie, what's next? Which one? You're getting a towel. No, she was actually washing her hands because they were all sticky. Which one next? Which button for the last one? It's a big choice.
That one.
That one. Okay. Oh, this looks so good, Millie. Good choice. Alright, no, we've got no room for the other ones. We'll save them for another day, okay?
This.
We'll save those ones for another day, okay? There we go.
That one. This one. This one.
Okay, so now he needs a hat. We can't fit that one on, sweetie. He doesn't have a big enough tummy. All right? Alright, we'll save that one for another day. Okay? What are you doing? You're going to wash your hands again. Did you get some of my stringy glue on you? I guess we'll wait for her to get back then. Okay, can you tie that ribbon round? Like a scarf? Round his neck. That's it. Oh. There we go.
He loves it.
You love it? Okay, now we've got to put that... You want rice puffs. Do you ever think of anything other than food? Okay, we've got to put his hat on. We're going to have to do something with this ponytail. Let's roll that down a bit so we can put his hat on. Yeah, you got to put his hat on for me. Looks like he's got a hat already. All right. Oh, you just destroyed the hats. It's okay, put it on. I'll fix it up. Here. Does he still smell? Yeah, he does actually. Alright, here he goes. He's got rice in it, not rice puffs. A little bit different.
I'm gonna get my hat on. I'm gonna get my
Let's try again. Oh goodness, bless you. You do look a bit weird. That's a bit better with his wonky nose. All right, you ready to see it? Here he is. He's our little gingerbread smelling snowman.
Don't get it on the baby.
Kind of looks like a penguin, but not.
It's like
and his head still flops
baby.
about.
That's a baby.
What? Do you like your snowman?
I don't see baby.
Do you think Will will like it when he gets home?
Yep.
Do you think so?
Yep.
Do you think I'll wake up with rice all over my floor in the morning? Yeah. This is like a Pinterest fail. It really is. I Pinterested and they look 1,000 times better than this one.